Good morning everyone. Today we are at the Trash Festival conducted by Terry at Vivek High School, Chandigarh. You can see here, there's a competition of street play being conducted here. Teams have to perform a play on environment based to save environment. So as we can see, different schools from different teams from different schools are being participate in this street play, and this is really fun.
Okay, so as my friend Dashmeet told you that we are here at the Trash Festival. So we have Mr. Jaideep Bokhle, who is the Tetra Pak's Asian ambassador and is a chief guest here. So hello Mr. Jaideep.
How are you?
Fine. So sir, are you having fun here? Like, how is your experience in Chandigarh?
Oh, I love Chandigarh. I've been here several times so far, and I always love coming back to the city. One of the things, obviously, that draws me to this city is the climate, which is great, especially in November, December, January, Feb. And the other thing, of course, is the fact that it is such a well-planned city. Sometimes I wonder where does all the waste go, but it's all very clean and very well laid out.
So tell us something about the Trash Festival.
Trash Festival is a very integral part of Project Search, and it's a festival, as you can see, there's a lot of fun and games and learning, and it's hands-on activity. So it really brings out the best in the students from all around the city, where they're encouraged to come in and then take part in this festival, where they are able to show their talent in different ways, and also, of course, everything that they do must have a sustainable angle.
Thank you, sir. Pleasure meeting you.
Thank you very much.
So here is another competition going on. It is called the Power of Recycling. The team which makes the maximum number of recycled paper out of the waste material, which is basically water and waste paper, will win this competition. You can see as the team are making the papers.
गिल्ले होने की टेंशन मत ले यार, जितना तुम
Guys.
तो यहाँ हमारे पास पावर ऑफ रिसाइकलिंग कंपटीशन के एक पार्टिसिपेंट है. आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा कंपटीशन?
एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा था बहुत.
तो आपने क्या करना था इसमें बेसिकली?
इसमें हमने वेस्ट पेपर और पानी को लेके उसका पल्प बनाना था, जो फर्दर हैंडमेड शीट बनता है.
तो आपने कितने बनाए?
हमने 25 बनाया है.
Okay,
20 मिनट्स में.
Now here we come in the auditorium VHS, where we are taking Fulkari workshop is taking place. Three to four schools are participating from Chandigarh, and as here we can see that children are practicing Fulkari, making Fulkari designs on a piece of cloth. And now as you can see here, teachers are guiding them how to make the particular designs. First to outline them on the piece of cloth, and after with the needle and thread you need to just cut out that design. And many schools are participating here, and they're just trying to make as beautiful Fulkari as they can with just with a very simple procedure. But it takes lot of strength for the students as well as their mentors. Like here we have the GMNV school taking part in it, and they're working a lot. And here we have the DPS taking part. You see the DPS taking part here. And here we have the Ryan International School, Chandigarh. They're just taking part in as many possible competitions they can, but it's really good. They're just working hard.
Okay, so now we have Mrs. Supriya Singh with us. She is a member of the Educating Youth for Sustainable Development Division of TERI. So, hi ma'am. So, what do you like the most in Chandigarh?
I think, of course, one thing about Chandigarh is that it's a planned city. But other than that, I think the people are very warm here. So, every time I've come, and anyone who knows me ends up inviting me to their homes. So, I think planning plus the warmth of the people, that's what I like about the city.
Ma'am,
searchlight competition in which students have to make paper lamps with the recycled paper, with the waste paper. As we can see here, students are working hard to make flowers, to make different designs to cover a piece of cardboard to make paper lamps. As you can see upwards, we have the paper lamps made by students. Like this, we have. They are very useful. You can decorate using these paper lamps. We have again different schools participating in huge groups to in this competition. Like we have the government models participating here, making 3 to 4 lamps, and after that we have Ryan International School. They're just working hard on this, and after that many people are excited. Even the teachers are helping them, and these lamps are very useful by decorating, and also using you can also use as a light lamps. So they are very useful, and children should be taught making these lamps out of waste. So just have a look. There we have the help desk, where if you want anything, where if you want any help, you can just go and ask them. If you want any raw material, if you want any fairy brush and all, you can come here and go for it. I will show you a paper lamp. This is the paper lamp made by the students. Here we are at the paper jewelry workshop, again organized by Flash Festival. As you can see here, students have to make jewelry, paper jewelry, using the waste paper, using the plastic sheets, using different decorative materials just like paints and all. Again, different schools are again we can show different schools are participating in Chandigarh, and we are very grateful to Vivek High School for organizing this festival in Chandigarh. Because there's a great rush over here, so you can't even listen my voice clearly, but it's amazing fun participating in it, and winning is not an main motive. The main motive is of participating. You need to learn. You get to learn leadership qualities, group qualities. Here we are some of the designs made by the students, common students, from standard, I guess, 6 to 11 or 6 to 10. And after that I get you to the batch making ceremony. These are the various batches made by students of the same level, and different students have made different batches. And as we can see, the results just checking out which batch is the best, and it will tell you the winner if possible. And this is all happens in the basement area. Like you just come over.
2, 3, 4. In the back of your mind is a movie running in rewind, and you watch your memories fall all around you when your world was small. Now you're lost and all alone in the new town, living on your own, and you watch the shadows fall all around you